As an international investor, you are already well aware of the current global geopolitical shifts and how major economies are repositioning themselves to attract foreign capital. Turkey is currently emerging as one of the most strategic investment destinations in the world, driven by strong government reforms, investor-friendly policies, and increasing global institutional interest. Recently, a highly significant development further reinforced this position. A high-level meeting took place between Tayyip Recep Erdogan and Lawrence de Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, the world's largest asset management firm overseeing trillions of dollars. Such engagements are widely seen as a strong signal of growing confidence of global financial institutions in Turkey's economy and future investment potential. Let me explain you Turkey's global investment position. Turkey is attracting major international companies shifting their regional offices into the country. Over 40 multinational corporations are reportedly expanding or relocating operations to Turkey. The country serves as a strategic bridge between Europe, Asia, and Middle East. Increasing attention from global giants like BlackRock highlights rising institutional interest in Turkey. Now, what are the government investment incentives to the international investors? Recent policy discussions indicate long-term tax advantages for foreign investors, potential favorable treatment of foreign income in specific cases. These reforms aim to increase foreign direct investment and strengthen economic growth. So, what is actually the citizenship by real estate investment advantage? Let me explain you. Turkey remains among the few countries offering citizenship through real estate investment. Investors and their families can obtain citizenship under a secure legal framework. A strong combination of lifestyle, mobility, and investment opportunity. So, do you know what is investment threshold update? During the Russia-Ukraine war period, the government revised the threshold from $250,000 to $400,000. This reflects Turkey's dynamic approach to balancing demand and market growth. So, what are the future possibility of this increase? Based on global trends and increasing demand, there is a strong possibility of future revisions. Similar programs worldwide have historically increased as demand rises. Growing institutional interest such as BlackRock level engagement may further strengthen this trend. So, do you know what is strategic timing advantage? Early investors typically benefit the most in such programs. Entering now allows you to secure current pricing, avoid potential future threshold increases, enter the citizenship process earlier, and benefit from early stage market appreciation. So, what is the conclusion? Turkey is currently offering one of the most structured, secure, and opportunity-driven citizenship programs in the global market. With increasing global attention, including engagement from institutions like BlackRock, the country is clearly positioning itself as a long-term investment hub. As with all international investment opportunities, timing plays a critical role in maximizing both value and long-term returns. If you want to benefit this opportunity, just contact Team Multimulk now.